This is question number 3 from the 1.4 MyLab math homework on estimating and problem solving. So we're given a problem and we're asked to find an estimated answer and an exact answer, but we have to estimate the way MyMathLab tells us to. So let's read the problem. It says Emily is buying plants for spring planting. She bought 4 packs of petunias. 4 packs of petunias for $2.71 per pack. Then she bought 4 packs of vincas for $1.72 per flat. Okay, and a package of potting soil for $2.66. What is her total bill? So this first question here is asking us to find the estimated total using compatible numbers. Okay, compatible numbers means numbers that are easy to do in your head. And then we're specifically told to estimate each of the prices to the nearest 50 cents. So let's look at each of these prices. So we have petunias. Petunias were $2.71 per pack. And we're going to buy 4 packs. So we'd have to multiply that by 4. Now that would be the exact answer. We're being asked to round to the nearest 50 cents. So I have to decide, is that closer to $2.50 or is it closer to $3? Okay. Well, $2.75 would be right in the middle. And where the $2.71 price is below that, so we're going to round it to $2.50. So I'm going to do $2.50 4 times. And the reason why it's compatible is you might be able to do that in your head. You might be able to visualize it, or you can just type it in your calculator. If we type in our calculator, 250 times 4, that's $10. Okay, so $10 spent on petunias. The exact amount spent on petunias is $2.71 times 4, which was $10.84. Okay, so you wouldn't want to find the exact answer and then round it by 50 cents, because if we did that, we'd say, okay, is $10.84 closer to $10.50 or closer to $11? So see how $10.75 would be in the middle there. In that case, it would be closer to $11 and we would get the wrong answer. So you do not want to find the exact answer and then round. You want to estimate the prices first. Estimate it, okay? So use a compatible number. The compatible number was $2.50. I did $2.50 times 4 and I got $10 spent estimated on petunias. And then we'll just do that again for our vincas. I think that's how we say that. Okay, so the vincas were $1.72 per flat. And again, we're going to buy 4 of those in this problem. And if I just multiply that out to get the exact answer, let's see, 172 times 4, that would be $6.88. But we're being asked to use these compatible numbers first. So I have to decide, is that closer to $1.50 or is it closer to $2? And again, $1.75 would be right there in the middle. And again, I can see that 72 cents is slightly below that. So our compatible number we're going to use is $1.50. So if I do that 4 times, so $1.50 4 times, that is going to be $6. So the estimated cost is going to be $6 on that. That's the estimated cost. And then just a bag of potting soil. So again, we need to do this with our potting soil here. So let's go ahead and do that. Some more room here. Okay, so now we need to do our soil. So the soil, we're just buying 1 bag. It's $2.66. So then I need to decide, is that going to be closer to $2.50 or is that going to be closer to $3? And again, right in the middle of that, that would be $2.75. And $2.66 is slightly less than that amount. So my compatible number is going to be $2.50. So for my estimate, I'm going to add $10 plus $6 plus $2.50. So I'm going to do that over here. My estimate is going to be $10. Got a little delay going on here. Sorry about that. Plus $6 plus $2.50. And when we add that all up, what do we get? That's going to give us $18.50. That's our estimate. Okay. and then we'd enter that in my math lab, and then it's going to prompt us to find the exact cost. For the exact cost, I'd add the 1084, the 866, and then I would add the 266. When I add those numbers together, that's going to give me my exact cost. Okay, so I know the wording was kind of weird on this one. Just know anytime they say compatible numbers, they mean pretty numbers that are supposedly easy to do in your head, but you can still use a calculator, right? And make sure you're estimating the way they're asking you to. They're telling us estimate each of the prices, not the total amount, right? Each of the prices to 50 cents. So you have to find each of those prices rounded to the nearest 50 cents first before you find the total. If not, if you don't do that, you might luck out and get the right answer, but chances are you're going to round differently and my math lab will count it wrong. Okay, yeah, your question on my math lab is going to have different numbers. The process is the same, so if you get stuck, just shoot me an email or come to office hours, and we can take a look.